everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. I am so excited to talk to you about this cute little bob. This is a new style from Tressler Wigs, and this here style is called Smooth Cut Bob. So if you are someone who loves more of like a pixie or a short bob, this bob is fantastic, and it's really lightweight. The density is great. So those of you who are looking for a wig with really lightweight denier and feel, this might be something right up your alley. Now the color right here is one of my favorite blondes from Tressler. This is 1426 R10. So let's talk about that color and then we'll move on to Smooth Cut Bob. 14/26/R10. So R10 means you have a root that's the color number 10, which is a light brown. I love this brown. It's not super, warm. It's not extremely ashy. It's just right in the middle, light brown. That's what you got. And it's a fantastic contrast to the rest of this blonde color. They do a great job feathering out that root into the rest of this blonde shade. It just looks fantastic. What you have with this blend is red blonde with gold blonde highlights. So red blonde and gold blonde. This is a goldeny color. Now it's not like, I don't know, when you see it, you don't think like honeycomb or just like super gold, but it is a warm blonde. If you like a warm blonde, this might be something that you will love. I would say that the red blonde almost has like an auburn look to it, enough that it really does blend into that root, almost giving it kind of like a low light look to it. And then that golden blonde is just so pretty next to that red blonde. Here's a closer look of that shade. And I'll show you a closer look at this color when I take this wig off. And do keep in mind that, colors will look different depending on the lighting situation. I do have a ring light, but I also have some natural light coming in, and I have bedroom light. So I have light from all angles, all different types of light. So I feel like this color is portraying pretty true. But if you go and look at some different photos, some different videos, you can get an idea of what this here color looks like on various skin tones and on different screens and in different lighting situations. So Smooth Cut Bob by Tressler is a synthetic wig, and you have a lace front and a monofilament top. I absolutely love this type of cap construction because you have that lace front that allows you to wear the hair off your face if that's what you'd like to do, and then you have a great area to part the hair every which way and, creative style your hair and wear the hair as if it's growing straight out of your scalp. I mean, if you want to pull this away from the face, add a clip, do it. You can do it. If you want to have more of a side swept front facing bang, by all means, make it happen. That is the beauty of having the versatility of a lace front and a monofilament top. If you want a creative style, do a bunch of parting, it is so doable. And this lace front looks incredible. Let me pull this up. I guess I'm gonna do kind of like those 90s little clippies. They're not butterflies, but they are little clips. Look how cute. And you guys can take a look at that lace front. Looks so good. You can see that part. It's not, that's a very messy part, but it looks so real because of it. It's not uniform, but it gives you that realistic, undetectable appearance, and that's what we want. So Smooth Cut Bob by Tressler is just a perfect, trendy, short bob. It's nice and light. Has that lace front. It's just absolutely adorable. Let me do a full turnaround of Smooth Cut Bob so you guys can see this cutie from all angles. Nice and light and super duper cute. It has like a sleek, chic, sophisticated appearance, but honestly, you could wear this with your jeans, out to the zoo, I mean, anywhere. Depending on how you style the hair, part the hair, accessories, what you wear, it just changes the whole look. But that's the nice thing about alternative hair, and even a cute style like this is, you know, you can wear it for all occasions. You have these adorable sweeping bangs, so whether you want to part it down the middle or the side, left or right, sweep it across the forehead, pull it away from the face, you have a lot of options. It's nice and light. The density is fantastic. In fact, let's talk about the weight of this here style. It is 3.28 ounces. So for those who, you know, deal with a lot of humidity and heat, those in the summer, this is a fantastic wig, but honestly, you could wear this all year round. This is an average size wig. It fits me from, you know, ear to ear, front to nape really well. I would say that if you wear a larger size wig, this might be pretty snug. If you wear petite, you could get away with wearing it if you tighten up that nape. It just kind of depends. My head circumference is 21.5 inches, and I would say this here Tresseler wig, smooth cut bob, average wig is true average in size. This here smooth cut bob is from their Look Fabulous collection, and this fiber is heat friendly. So you can use your heat tools at a low setting and change up, you know, the look of this fiber. Add wave, add curl, flip it out if you will. Do whatever meets your style preferences. Now let's take this smooth cut bob off and show you guys the inside of the cap construction. Now what you have here is their Sheer Comfort mono top and their ear-to-ear lace front. You have this 1 1/4 inch ear-to-ear lace front. This gives you that undetectable hairline. And then what you have is this mono top. This is sheer soft hand knotted mesh. It's for that ultimate comfort, and it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp. You have open wefting on the rest of this cap construction that gives great airflow, fantastic ventilation. You have your velvet ear tabs, and you have your adjustable closures at the nape. This will help you loosen and tighten the wig, make it fit your head more securely and more true to size. The nice thing about this open wefting is you have this lateral wefting, which is stretch wefting, which provides secure comfort, fit, and molds itself to the contours of their wearer's head for a more customized fit. Here's a closer look of the color. This blonde shade is 1426 R10. Take a look at that. It is so dimensional, so gorgeous. That root looks incredible. Okay, let's put this beauty back on. Okay, let's talk about the lengths of this here style. The front is 7.5 inches. Your crown is also 7.5 inches. And your nape is 2 inches. What do you guys think about this short, sleek, lightweight bob, smooth cut bob by Tresseler? And what do you think about this cutie right here? Anyway, we got some visitors. Let me know your thoughts, comment below. Definitely go check out Tresseler on their social media platforms. I will have those links down below. I will also have links so you can check out a closer view of Smooth Cut Bob by Tresseler. I want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts. You know the drill. Comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.